Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off autoplay in Windows 10. If you're tired of pop-ups or automatic actions when you insert a USB or connect a device, this guide will help you disable it quickly and take full control. Press the Windows key, plus I on your keyboard to open Settings. Then click on Devices. From the left-hand menu, select Autoplay. You'll see an option that says Use Autoplay for all media and devices. Turn this switch off. Autoplay is now disabled, and Windows will no longer take automatic actions when you connect media or devices. Disabling Autoplay in Windows 10 helps you avoid unwanted pop-ups and gives you more control over how your computer responds to connected devices. It's a simple step that improves both convenience and security. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials.